Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's go. The 2002 United Kingdom £1 coin is a representative example of the classic round £1 piece that circulated in the UK from 1983 until the redesign and reissue as a 12-sided bimetallic coin in 2017. The 2002 examples carry the familiar crowned portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and an annually rotating or nation-specific reverse motif. For 2002 the reverse used the traditional English, three lions passant gardant design, making that year's common circulation type the England reverse rather than a Scotland, Wales or Northern Ireland motif. The obverse continues the long British convention of featuring the reigning monarch's effigy with the Latin legend around the rim. On modern Elizabethan issues, including 2002, the inscription appears as variations of Elizabeth II DG Reg FD surrounding the profile portrait, a compact visual formula that links the coin to centuries of British numismatic tradition. Technically the 2002 round £1 was struck in a nickel-brass alloy, the standard composition for the round pound for decades, produced to Royal Mint specification for circulation coins of that era, nickel-brass planchet, carefully milled edge and machine-struck for consistent relief. Its physical dimensions used for many of the round pounds issued near that time are in the same family as earlier and later round pound 1s, a compact coin roughly 22 to 23 m in diameter and weighing in the single-digit grams range, built to survive heavy circulation while remaining easy to identify by sight and touch. In 2002 the Royal Mint produced tens of millions of these coins for everyday use. The widely quoted mintage figure for the England Three Lions reverse in 2002 is in the order of 77.8 million pieces, which makes surviving examples extremely common in pocket change and thus of only face value significance unless they are in exceptional condition or part of special sets. Because the Royal Mint also issues collector and proof versions, there are proof frosted commemorative presentation strikes from 2002, including special Golden Jubilee related issues in that year, which were struck in silver or supplied in presentation boxes with certificates. Those pieces are aimed at collectors and can command premiums above face value depending on strike quality and rarity. Collectors looking at ordinary circulation examples will usually grade value by wear. Circulated 2002 round pound ones are typically worth £1 in everyday trade, whereas uncirculated mint rolls, brilliant uncirculated single coins, or certified proofs and any genuine error coins can be worth more to collectors. Genuine mint errors, misstrikes, off-center strikes, or planchet defects, are rare and can attract collector interest, but they must be authenticated to carry meaningful premiums. A notable part of a 2002 £1 coin's story is its eventual demonetization. The classic round £1, including 2002 examples, was withdrawn as legal tender in October 2017 when the Royal Mint introduced the new 12-sided, bimetallic £1 to combat counterfeiting. However, many banks and the Royal Mint accepted and still accept old round pounds for deposit or exchange for some time after demonetization, and examples remain popular in collections and for historical display. In terms of design provenance, the round £1 series used several different reverse masters over the decades: the Royal Arms, Three Lions, national emblems and occasional commemorative motifs, and the 2002 England design sits in that lineage as a classic emblem of English heraldry placed on a modern circulating coin. The inscription on the edge or around the reverse often included the traditional phrase Decus et Tutamen, an ornament and a safeguard, a Latin motto that appeared on many £1 edges and served both decorative and anti-counterfeiting purposes. For anyone researching or collecting 2002 pounds ones, the practical advice is, check for unusual characteristics, unusual edges, missing reading or an unexpected inscription, off-center strikes, odd planchet color, weight, compare against high-quality reference photos, and if you discover anything that looks like an error or a proof quality specimen, consider getting it authenticated or slabbed by a reputable grading service. Otherwise, for everyday use the 2002 £1 coin is historically interesting but generally common, and most surviving specimens will remain worth face value unless they are mint state, rare variant, proof, or authenticated errors. Finally, beyond face value and collector interest, the coin is also a small cultural object. It marks the continuing visual presence of Elizabeth II on circulation coinage and sits within the larger story of Britain's decimal coinage era. Introduced in 1971, the practice of rotating national designs for the pound, and the later 2017 change prompted by security concerns, all of which make the 2002 £1 coin a neat snapshot of early 21st century British coinage. Key technical references for the 2002 round £1. Composition, specifications and mintage figures, were summarized in standard numismatic references and Royal Mint material.